It's Gary Kayye, and we're here at InfoComm 2013 in Orlando. The show opens in barely 2 days, and I've already snagged a really important person here, Angie Mistretta, who's the Director of Telepresence Solutions Marketing for Cisco, one of the biggest manufacturers here in the industry, and you all know who Cisco is, but you're here with a message of 3 N's.
3 N's, 3 INs, so InfoComm. We just kind of try to make all the things come together. Exactly. So really excited to be here this year, another big year for Cisco, big presence on the show floor. But the 3 key themes we're focusing on are interoperability, innovation, and also integration. So
interoperability, you've got some key, we have got some key standard integration here, and also some new stuff that you're kind of debuting a little bit here with interoperability.
Yep. So standards, Cisco has always been a vendor who embraces standards because we want video calling to be as easy as voice for our customers. So 2 things that you'll see here today or tomorrow on the show, Wednesday when the show floor opens, are H.264 SVC and also H.265. So both of these technologies broaden who you can interoperate with, so you're working with other vendors who are also using the same types of standards, so more connections to people that you previously couldn't. And then secondly, bandwidth efficiencies. So H.265, for instance, allows you the same high-level quality, but half the bandwidth, which is a very important consideration for our customers.
And H.265 was recently adopted. It's going to become something everybody's going to want to use because of the bandwidth, the fact that you're using a lot less bandwidth. So what's the second N?
The second N is integration. So Cisco has a lot of technology. We do everything from the network up, not just telepresence, obviously. So you'll see a lot of integration points across our portfolio. You've seen us talk a lot throughout the year about integration with Unified Communication Manager, making sure it has the added support that you need for video conferencing. So you'll see some of that demonstrated here. One of the other big items that you'll want to focus on is WebEx-enabled telepresence. So that's being able to schedule a telepresence call and WebEx together, and being able, with a simple click of a button, to connect all of those users. So you can have the folks leveraging your existing telepresence investment, being able to easily scale that call and broaden your reach by allowing other users to connect via WebEx, which is also a very powerful, high-quality video tool.
Well, everybody uses WebEx, so I mean that's going to be helpful, and everybody's going to be happy with that. Yep. And the third one, I'm guessing, is innovation?
It is innovation. So we have a couple of, an innovation with partnerships is what I wanted to talk about. So we have a couple of different partnerships that you'll see here. The first being iRobot. So we have taken the company that manufactures the Roomba technology, and they almost said Zumba, but Roomba technology.
The little vacuum cleaner that runs around on the floor.
That runs around the floor. Now they've added a body to it. A lot of other things go into that as well, but it's a very simplified view. And then our Telepresence EX60 is on the top. So it allows people, managers for instance, to remotely be able to control the robot to go around and have ad hoc and spontaneous conversations. The second vendor that you'll see us talking about is Prism. So they've leveraged our codec and camera technology to do broad video walls, so walls of collaboration, if you will, and we have one of those on display as well.
So you have the whole wall here actually built in your booth?
Yeah, and actually we're working with Prism, who has a booth as well, so you'll see the solution in both places. And then the third is Avizia. So they're a new partner that we're working with to deliver our vertical solutions, and they're actually launching at the show a product called the VX Educator. So that's a education solution specific for that vertical. A lot of other applications in terms of enterprise training as well, but exciting new partnership that we're looking forward to working them with us.
Well, the thing is that the fact that it's application-based is a big deal because everybody wants to see how this stuff connects together, and the fact that you're working with multiple manufacturers to do this kind of stuff is great. So congratulations. I think this is going to be a hit at this year's show, the fact that you're doing this, and obviously Cisco is obviously a company that everybody's going to want to come by and see. You are in booth 2743.
You got it.
That's right. So the aisle, just go down the 2700 aisle. All you got to do is go in the main entrance, head down the 2700 aisle. They're about halfway back. You can't miss them. They've got a huge booth here. I don't even know how big it is, 50 by 50, 70 by 70, I don't know, but it's big enough that it's going to stand out. And not only do you have your individual products here, you got your partnerships here, and you've got a bunch of people here who are interested in making sure AV integrators know how to integrate your products.
Yeah, we have the booth. We're participating in all the manufacturer training sessions. We have a keynote tomorrow morning with Snorra Kesbu. So, and then we're running some technology and action sessions. If you want to deep dive more on Cisco technology, those are available. The sessions running Wednesday and Thursday. Just stop by the booth and we'll give you the information.
Great. And if you don't make it to InfoComm, you go to Cisco.com. If you are here at InfoComm, booth number 2743, the show opens Wednesday morning, and we're here, and it's Monday night, and you're still setting up, so congratulations. I'm going to let you get back to doing what you need to do, and thank you very much for taking the time to let me interview you today. This is Gary Kayye. We'll see you all during the show. If you want to search any of our videos and search all the videos of the things we talked about to Cisco about today, just go to the video search box, Cisco and just type in Cisco.